Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're unable to find Xbox accessories app on Microsoft Store, and if you're using this link, the link is provided in the video description. When you try to open this link in a browser, and when you click on download, and when you run this file, it opens Microsoft Store, but you don't see the install button. So actually you should see an install button or get button, but you see a blank. There is no button to install. If this is what is happening, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So you can open Windows settings and then go to time and language, and then go to language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. If that does not work, you can change the country to United States. So select the country or region as United States, and then you can open Microsoft Store. When you change the region, it will tell you to restart Microsoft Store. So you can click on restart Microsoft Store, and then you can find Xbox accessories app. Now still not working. In that case, you can type in WS reset in Windows search box, WS reset, and then click on WS reset command, and then it will refresh Microsoft Store. It will open Microsoft Store once again, and then you can find Xbox accessories app, and you should be able to see install or get button. Or you can simply use this link to open it in a browser, and then you can install it from there. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.